Creator Ugar combines multiple photos together, which creates a new type of art, to show how significant of a contrast that there is between them and his art. An image that is on Ugar's Instagram page really stands out and has a lot of significance. On the left side, there is a white American girl. On the right, there is assumed to be a girl from a third world country. Ethos is presented because Ugar is a credible man. He is very famous and is a verified creator on Instagram. Lots of people write nice comments and reviews about him. The emotion of sorrow is presented because the audience is experiencing emotion on the right side because the girl is crying and the audience can see how she is struggling. The emotion of joy is presented on the left side. You can see a pretty girl that actually looks normal and calm. It is clear that the girl on the right side is a girl from a third world country. The girl seems to be crying, maybe because she lives in a society without any food, water, shelter, or even medical care. The girl on the left side looks like she is from America. She looks like she comes from a good home where all of her basic needs are provided, and maybe even more. The main message of this piece is to always appreciate what you have because some other people may be struggling and not have anything at all.